Hello everyone, hope you people are doing good. So in this video we are going to cover previous year questions solutions for reasoning. So this is 14 July shift 4, and for reasoning practicing previous year questions is mandatory. Only that itself is sufficient to get a decent score in reasoning. So let us start the session. So in first question, so they are mentioning that which two signs should be interchanged to make the given equation correct. So let us this question you should solve it through options only. So let us interchange plus and minus. So if you interchange plus and minus, so here it will be minus and here it will be plus. So here it will be 16 to 4 240, 240 minus 3 plus 8 means it will be huge number only. So this is not possible. And if you interchange divided by and plus, so this will be divided by and this will be plus. So if you see here it will be 60 into 4 divided by 9 plus 3 minus 8. Here no need to calculate because 60 and 9 it is not possible to cut down. So we will not get integer, so this option will be eliminated. So again, if you go for next option, plus and into, so plus and into means 60 plus 4 into 9 divided by 3 minus 8. So here it will be 9 by 3 is 3, so 4 into 3 12, 72 minus 8, it is not near to 34, so this will be eliminated. So the only remaining option is this one only. Let us go to the next option, next question. So they have given, so they are asking us to find the Venn diagram corresponding to the given thing, that is leaf vegetables, salad and food. So as we know, in food we have in food only both of these come, that is leafy vegetables and salad, but we need to find out how both are interrelated. Generally in salad we see leafy vegetables, right, generally in the outside. So uh, it will be something like this. So both will be in food and leafy, some of the leafy vegetables will be salad. So this will be the correct option. Let us go to the next question. So they have given some set of numbers. They are asking us to find which of the other three numbers related in the same way. So always do these type of questions in the last only, in the second round only, because if you don't get the logic you will stuck there, and you might lose the some of the easy questions, easy questions. So let us see how both are related. So they have given 49 63 441 7 14 14. So if you see closely, so 63 into 7 it will be 441, and 14 into 1 this is 14. So if you see, we somehow we found the relation between second and third number, but how this 7 is coming we need to find. This 7 it will come like this, the first number divided by 7. So 49 7 will be 7. Here also 1 will be 7 by 7. So the pattern will be something like this. So the pattern will be, if you say a b c, it will be something like a by 7 into b is equal to c. So this is the pattern. So if you observe here, if you do divided by 7 it should be 28, so this is not option. If you do with 7 divided with 7 it will be 2 into 28 56 matching. 7 by 7 1 into 14, it should be 14, so this is not. Here it is not at all divisible by 7, so this is the correct option. Let us see the next question. So they are asking which of the following numbers will replace the question mark in the given series. So they have given 15 question mark 27 39 55 75. Just try to take the difference. Here it will be 20, here it will be 16, here it will be 12. So if you see here guys, it is multiple of 4. 4 3s are 4 4s are 4 5s are. So it will be 4 2s are, it should be 8 is the difference, means it should be 19. So this is the correct option. Let us go to the next question. So they have given problem figure. They are asking us to find the exact mirror image. So mirror is placed here, right side means here. So just always try to solve this question through options only, because you can somehow eliminate and arrive at the right answer quickly. So if you closely observe here, this arrow is it is pointing towards the, it is in right direction, so it will come in the left direction, means some it will come here, means if the image is like this, it will come here, and here it is showing in right direction, means left direction, so it will be in right direction, means it will be something like this. So out of the four figures, so it will be something like this, and here it will be, here it is in left direction, so it will be right direction, so it will be like this. So this option will be eliminated, so we left with three options. And again, if you see here, rhombus, it is here, it is bubbled, but it should not be, so here this one also we can eliminate. Now we left with two options. So if you see here, this arrow is showing it is in left direction, so it will come right direction, and it is pointing to right direction, so it will point to left direction here, means it will be something like this. And rhombus, it is right direction, so it will come something like this, and it will be bubbled. So if you see options, both of these options here in the option, in this option it is showing right direction, so this will be eliminated. So the only option we left with this one. Let us see the next question, guys. So they are mentioning in a certain language, manage is written like this. Let me write manage. They have written H J D Q D P. So always try to figure out what is the logic. So for M, what is the number? It will be 13. For A1, N14, A1, G7, E5. From A to Z, you should have that number pattern, guys. For A, it will be 1. For Z, it will be 26. That is mandatory. So for H, it will be 8. For J, it will be 10. For D, it will be 4. For Q, it will be 17. For D, it will be 4. For P, it will be 16. So if you try to find out the logic, it will be 13 minus 5, 1 plus 9, 14 minus 10. So we are not getting logic. So if you observe closely, so here 13, here 16 are there, means it will be plus 3. Here 1, here it is 4, means it is plus 3. Again here 14, here 17, plus 3, 1, 4. So it will be like in reverse direction. So they are asking for policy, so how it will be like policy. For P, it will be 16. So 16 plus, how much we need to add? We need to add 3. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 means it will be yes here in the last question. So in the only option in the options is only S here, because it will be P, it will be Z, it will be, no need to solve the entire question. Now they are asking us to select the figure among the given options that can replace in the question marks. Guys, if you see here, this figure is rotated 180 degrees, and here this triangle is rotated 180 degrees, and this one is rotated 180 degrees. So again, if you rotate this figure in 180 degrees, it will be like this only. Or else here black bubble is in left side, it will right side, it is left side here, it is right side here, so it should be in the left side. So this black color is in the left side in this option only. Let us go to the next question. So they are asking analogy question. So ophthalmology, they mentioned it is something related to eyes, as we know. So in the same way, dermatology, it is related to skin. So this is a common sense question, guys. Now let us go to the next question. So they have given some numbers, so they are rated in the same way. So they are asking us to find what are the other numbers which are in the same way. So 4, 6, 8 they have given, 6, 8, 10 they have given. So if you closely observe, it is difference is 2, here also difference is 2, here also difference is 2, difference is 2. So difference is same basically. If you say A, B, C, so the difference should be same. A minus B is equal to B minus C. So here difference is 10, here difference is 4. So eliminated. Here difference is 4, here difference is 4. This is following. 5, 30, 30, 10 not following. 18, 18, 80, 16 not following. So this is the correct answer, guys. Now let us go to the next question. So they have given for tortoise, they mentioned hatchling. For rabbit, what it follows. So tortoise, So hatchling means it is basically a place where it stays. So in the way for rabbit we say it is kitten only. Let us see the next question. So this is also number series, guys. So I mean we should have uh, we should find the clear analogy, then only we will get the correct answer. So if you see here how all are related, if you see here 15 is there, 20 is there, 4 is there, 30 is there, 30 is there, again here 3 is there. So if you observe here 15 4s are 60, again if you divide with 3 it will be 20. In the same way 13 3s are 90, if you divide with 3 it will be 30. So if you say A B C, so the pattern will be like B is equal to A into C divided by 3. So just try to observe here. So here 16 to 12 1200, 1200 by 3 is equal to 400. This only follows, remaining will never follows. You can check. Let us see the next question, guys. So they mentioned that for pendant it was written as Q F O E B O U. So they are asking for impose. So if you observe here, after P the next letter is U, after E F, after N O, after D E, after A B, after N O, after T U. So it will be easy question, guys. After I it will be J. So only one option is there, so no need to solve the entire question. Let us solve this question, guys. So this is blood relation is very important, guys. So if you practice properly you can solve it in 1 minute, otherwise it will kill your time. So for this question the simplest way is they are asking how is Z is related to G. So between Z and G how many symbols are there? 3 symbols are there. So what is dollar? Dollar means father. Again dollar means father's father. Father's father is grandfather. Again minus means daughter. Your grandfather's daughters means your father's sister. So indirectly we got Z is the father's sister of G. So the only option left with is this one. So you can directly see the symbols and direct answer the question. Let us solve the next question. So the next question they are asking which of the option figure in which the given figure is embedded. So this one also if you see it is the options are clumsy, always do it in the last only so that you can save the time. So if you closely observe here, so you should have good observation skills to solve this question, guys. So if you see here guys, if you closely observe here, it is here only. So this is the correct answer. So do it in the last only. So in exam generally if you see these kind of questions you will feel pressurized if you don't get the answer. So always do it in the last only. The next question is again the same question they are asking which of the following is embedded in the given figure. So if you see here this is not possible, so we can clearly observe, and again this is also not possible. So again we left with two options. So again the triangle where we triangle symbol is we have triangle only here only, but after triangle we don't have this shape, so this is also not eliminated. So you can check for the last option, I mean third option. So if you see here so here we can get, see guys, you can observe here, so it is hidden here. Let us solve the next question. So again we need to find the number in the number pair it is which is obtained by performing certain mathematical operations, so the same operation. So we need to find out the odd pair, guys. So if you closely observe here, so 84 into 87 into 6 is how much, guys? It will be 522, I think. Again 92 into 6 is how much? 552. Again 64 into 6 is 384. But this option I think it doesn't follow, so this is the correct answer. Guys, always just see the approximation. It will be 87 into, maybe it will be approximated to 6 times, so that's why if you observe here, if you multiply with 6 with 7, it will be unit digit will be 2 here. Again if you multiply 6 with 2, it will be unit digit is 2 here. Again if you multiply with 6, it will be unit digit is 4 here. In that way you can calculate, you can solve this question quickly. You can find the multiple, what multiple. Again next question, 3 of the following 4 letters are alike in same way, which one is different, they're asking. So JQM means if you see here, between J and M 2 letters are there, between D and G 2 letters are there, between B and E 2 letters are there, between E and D 2 letters are there. But if you see here, J and Q both are opposites, D and W both are opposites, A and Z both are opposite, but P and X are not opposite, B and Y are opposite. Let us solve the next question. So they have given 3 words, they are asking us to find the which of the diagram best illustrate the following. So if you see here, women, professor, players. Generally women, some of the women can be professors in reality. So this is one diagram, guys. And some of the professors can be players, and some of the women also can be players, and some of the women can be both professors and players. So it is possible that we can get this diagram. So this is the only way. Let us solve the next question, guys. So 175, 210 they have given. So these are the two numbers they have given, and 310, 372 they have given, and 295 they're asking which one will come here. So always try to get the ratios for these kind of questions, it will be easy. 35 into 5, 35 into 6. So I'm again reiterating that you should have good command over calculations and in mathematics, and you should have good command in tables also, then only you will solve these kind of questions quickly. If you observe here, 31 in 31 tens are 31 12s are, again 2 5s are 2 6s are. So basically the ratio that they are following is 5:6. So if you see here, so 295 by 5 means how much? 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are. So 59 into 5 is 295. So the answer will be 59 into 6. 6 9s are 360 minus 6, so 354. So this is the answer. Let us solve the next question. So they have given, select the figure which will replace the question mark in the figure series. Guys, again if you see, for these type of questions, just before solving, just observe the options carefully. Just observe. You can give 10 seconds, no problem. Okay, so if you observe the options carefully, the first figure is here, it is it will be circle here in the two options. In the next options it is Z here. So if you figure out what is the first place, you can eliminate two options. So always try to do that only. So just go to the second figure and see the first one, D, reverse D. So where it is coming? It is coming in this direction. Again here it is 8. So how it is coming? It is coming like this. Again if you see P, it is coming this direction. So definitely this place, whatever comes this place, it should come from this one, means it will be square only, means these two options eliminated, you can clearly eliminate. Now if you closely observe these two options, here 6 is there, here reverse D is there. So try to figure out position of this one. So if you see here, here V is there. How V is coming? It is coming like this. Here it is Z, it is coming from this third place. Here it is there, it is coming from first place. So whatever comes in middle, it will come from this third place, means it will be reverse D. So this is the correct option. So try to do it with the options help only. Let us see the next question. So they have given some words, they are asking us to arrange in the dictionary wise. So if you see here, TER is common in all, so no need to solve this one. So here it is T, after here it is R, here also it is R, here it is m, here it is r, here it is m. So generally out of these, which one will come first? Definitely m will come first. So terminate is the first one. I mean, two m's are there again. So between termite and terminate, which one will come first? Definitely it will be terminate. So it will be 6 6 4 6 4 only. Two options we left. Again we need to find out 2 3 is the correct series or 3 2 is the correct series. Just go to 2 and 3. So here after a c is there, after a I is there, so definitely sequence will be 2 3. So no need to solve the entire question. Let us go to the next question. So dice, I mentioned in the concept videos also. So what you need to do is, they are asking opposite to 5. So just try to find out the two dice in which one number is common. So if you see here, if you see here, 5 is there, 5 is there, you can, so you can take these figures. So if you go in the clockwise direction, it will be 5 6 4. If you go in the clockwise direction, 5 2 3. So the opposite of 5 is the remaining number, that is 1 only, because 6 is opposite to 2, 4 is opposite to 3, so 5 is opposite to 1. Let us solve the next question. So they have given some series, they are asking us to find the missing blank. So always do these type of questions, just find total number of letters. So if you find the total number of letters, it will be 3 plus 3 6 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 3 16, 20. 20 means you can divide it 5 5 5 or 4 4, your wish. I will divide with 5. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So it will be like this. So if you closely observe here, here ps is there, here ps is there, so it will follow the same pattern, guys. Last two letters will be ps, and the first letter is a here, a here, a here, so this is fine. The next letter will be, here it is m is there, here it is not known, here o is there, here p is there, means it is following the alphabetical, means m n o p. Now the second letter is c everywhere, so it is, option will be c n p s is the correct answer. Let us go to the next question, guys. So they have given some words, I mean some terms, and they are asking us to missing series. So if you see here, after I, j is skipped and k is written. After k, j, l is skipped, m is written. After m, n is skipped, o is written. So definitely here it will be, h will be skipped and first letter will be g. So this option will be eliminated. Now try to figure out the next term. Here it is q, after q r, after r s, after s t. Definitely it will be, before q it will be p only. So this is eliminated. Again two options left. Just try to figure out fourth option. So here k, l, m, n, means it will be j. So this is the correct option. Let us solve the last question, guys. So they have given some statement, and they are asking which two should be interchanged to give the equation correct. Just interchange, go with options. If you go with divided by and plus, how it will be, 117 plus 13 divided by 16 into 540 minus 40. Guys, no need to solve this entire thing, because 13 never, it will never divide with 16. Okay, I mean even, so it will be something like 13 by 16 into 540. 16 and 540 will never cut, so definitely this is not the answer. And if you go with plus and into, plus and into means 170 divided by 13 into 16 plus 540 minus 40. So 117 by 13 it will be 9. 9 into 16 is 144. 144 plus 540 is how much? 684. 684 minus 40 is 644. This option is matching, so you can go with this option. So that's it, the session, guys. So we have solved 25 questions, and if you follow this method only, you can definitely solve all the questions in 15 to 20 minutes. And in tier 1, just remember this, guys, always you should devote for reasoning, maximum time you can take is 20 minutes, not more than that, because then only you can save the time for mathematics. And for mathematics you should devote at least 25 to 30 minutes. So this is my suggestion. And in exam, generally out of 25 questions in reasoning, definitely there will be 2 questions which will be moderate to hard. Always skip these questions in first attempt, and in the end, if you do have time, you can go with these questions, and don't take any question to the ego. Definitely you will lose the time if you take it to ego. So your ultimate aim is to clear the cutoff. So always keep it in the mind, because even if you so every question carries same marks, as even hard question carries 2 marks and easy question carries 2 marks. So you should focus on easy questions first, then only you should go for hard questions. Okay, so that's it this session, guys. So if you people like it, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye, take care.